Imagine you make $15 in half an hour. Sounds cool, doesn't it? With Prolific, it's real. Participate in interesting research and get paid for your opinion. Prolific is a platform for academic research. Researchers, students, and companies conduct surveys and you become a participant. For every survey you complete, you get money. The platform focuses on the quality of research, so the tasks here are not only lucrative, but also fun. Here is how it works. Sign up on Prolific and indicate your interests. This will help you get the assignments that are right for you. Choose research, take surveys, and answer questions. For each assignment, you get money that can be withdrawn to PayPal. Let's talk about the main thing. Money. The average pay per HR of work is $10 negative $15. Some surveys are paid even higher. If you allocate 1 to 2 HRs a day, you can earn up to $500 a month. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.